Hello everyone, warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am thrilled to have you here today as we embark on a journey delightful exploration of one of the most serious aspects of any wedding is undeniably one of the most special and memorable days of your life, and finding the perfect go is the journey that receives all the inspiration and guidance we can. When it comes to choosing a wedding, this is first and foremost is your perfect stay. They have created of design from classic elegance and adding your own embellished with reading and delicate. These fabrics are selected to ensure that you will look as a when selecting a wedding dress. These dresses are made for luxurious materials like and silk and the high quality fabric that you will look and feel like a true princess on your big day. Your wedding dress is just the beginning of your look. Accessories are imported completing your wedding day attire. You can add jewelry and hair pieces and feel like a absolute princess on your day. The quality and cheap are unparalleled that every switch details to you are the choice of a dramatic your outfit in a additional touch with. So the possibilities are endless in the case to select accessories that complement and enhance the beauty of your natural. Remember, the price does not delicate the beauty of a dress. It is the way it makes you feel that truly matter. You do not have to break the bank to find that perfect go, the one that will make you feel confident, beautiful, and special on your day. One of the most wonderful aspects of reading dresses is the come in a that everybody can find a dress that are perfectly, even if you can find what you looking for. First up, we have the classic Big on this right to help you get started on your wedding festival. Me have wedding ideas that are with inspiration with you and guide you towards finding the perfect ground for your special day. First and foremost, explore the classic style. This timeless design is perfect for the who wants to feel like and with a skins the body fabric such as silk and minimalist accessories to create look for the following. Reset is the way to go. These dresses feature soft romantic fabric such as helpful to wearing along a trust friend or family member. Wow can offer their honest opinion and provide and giving support throughout your design making process to help you get started on your wedding dress journey. Have of that I believe inspiration with me picture golden to show that there is a world perfectly suited to your choice. Setting the option and available is that you will find the reset of your dreams perfectly with minds and your special day to your personal style. Now, talk about the ring of whether your wedding takes place in a grand or rest showed that there is a king out there that will make you feel like the most beautiful pride in the world. The writing of option and styles that you will find the bliss of your dream mind and try on different styles to see what sure you best. It can be help to bearing along a trusted friend or family member bow can or their honest opinion and support you in your decision making process. Dive into some ideas that I believe will inspiration you and help you will find the perfect gown for your special day. Dresses can be paired with minimalist accessories to create a chic that confidence, elegance, and beauty share beauty. The perfect wedding dress. Your wedding day is an undeniably one of the most special and beautiful. Understand a dress code be the perfect choice. This style is silk and modern with heart that skins the body. Dresses are made from light fabric such as silk or cream or less and mayab on with floral details or bahu. Dress is perfect for a relaxed outdoor wedding and can be paired with loose flowing hair and delicate jewelry for the ultimate bohemian. If you are planning a beach fading simple light white dress is the way to go. Look for a dress made from a fabric you can see this in my wedding dress. It can paired with loose glowing hair and delicate jewelry for the ultimate bohemian. If you are planning a beach wedding, a simple lightweight dress is the way to go. Look for a dress from prep-table fabric such as these ready dresses have been famous fashion so you can they are trend and you will like flow that will keep you comfortable and cool in the heat. Beach wedding dresses unique details such a character or finding touch of way to your look. Remember to matter your personal style and there is a wedding dress out there that will make you feel confident and beautiful and ready to say to keep option mind. Try on different styles opinion that allow you to create a dress that is unique and to your personal style. No matter where you going to take, whether it's there is a dress out there that will make you feel like the most beautiful bride in the world. With all the option and styles available, you are sure to find the dress of your sheet could be the perfect choice. This style feature that skins the body and made from lightweight fabric such as silk or cream. Minimalist accessories to create look for the wedding dress your big day, one of the most memorable moment in your life. Understand that you want to feel confident, elegant, and beauty. That's why we are here to some. shine from to classic elegance. The fabric of the dress is also finding dresses or from luxurious materials such as lace with beginning and the quality of the fabric on your special day accessorize or princess is Courier is making you look feel a true. I don't with